In this video, you will learn how to save a Word document to your desktop. First things first, open your Word document that you want to save. Once it's open, look at the top left corner of the window. You'll see the File tab. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking File, a menu will appear. Here, move your mouse cursor over the option labeled Save As. This option allows you to choose where and under what name you want to save your document. Now, click on Browse. This action will open up Windows Explorer, a file management tool that lets you navigate through your computer's files and folders. In Windows Explorer, you need to select the location where you'd like to save your document. In this case, navigate over to the left-hand side panel until you find Desktop. Click on it. Once you've selected Desktop as your location, take a moment to give your document a name. There's a text box at the bottom where you can type in whatever title fits best for your work. When everything looks good, the location is set and you've named your document, it's time to hit that all-important Save button located at the bottom right corner of this window. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.